Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at how to approach questions like this where we have a number having a log exponent. Alright, so we are simply going to follow a law, a rule, a very simple rule. And the rule says when you have a number, say b, having a log exponent y to a base b, our answer is equal to y. Alright, so from this law we can see that our answer here is simply 37. Very simple. So once you observe that your number is the same as your base, you just pick your answer as 37. And this works. To prove that this works, if we have a question like say 9 to the power of log 81 base 9, from here we know our answer is what? 81. But if we want to solve this question, we can say 9 to the power of log 9 squared base 9, and this is equal to 9 to the power of 2 log 9 base 9. Alright, and this is equal to 9 to the power of 2, because log 9 base 9 is 1, and this is what? 81. Very simple. So that is how you approach questions like this when you have the number and the base to be the same value and it is raised to the power of the log as the exponent. Your answer is 37. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. God bless you.